Hello again, folks. Here we go with another beautiful 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Original charcoal gray from factory. Paint code Peter 2. Again, the paint code for this bad boy will be Peter 2. Once again, original charcoal gray from that department from factory. So the vehicle does have some minor scratches and some very few door dings. Folks, this vehicle came from San Diego County, California, so it is a California car, so it has no rust on it whatsoever. Vehicle is in great running condition and shape, has been completely serviced and detailed, and it is turnkey ready. And before I forget, this vehicle does have 100,000 miles with only 475 idle hours. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have tinted windows in the rear windows only, medium shade, no tint on the front. It came this way when I bought the vehicle. One hole in the trunk lid where that antenna is. Folks, as you can see, I'm missing the police interceptor badging right there. I've ordered one and it's on the way, so I will have that installed on the trunk panel as soon as I get it. Once again, one hole in the trunk, actual antenna, okay, so it's not going anywhere. 2007 with 100,000 miles. I do have some scuff marks on the rear bumper, folks. You can see those, some right there and right here. I'm gonna try touching those up with the touch-up paint, and hopefully it looks better. Folks, I do have some minor door dings right here, one right there, one somewhere there, and some on the rear door somewhere around by the door handle. I do have some scratches. You can see those right there, guys. They look to be like maybe door dings or parking lot scar marks, you know. Once again, this is original paint, guys. I'm not saying it has been repainted. If you can see past the little scratches and the door dings, folks, you got yourself a great running vehicle in every way possible. I do have clear lights and lenses in the front. I have a good set of good use spotlights. When I first bought the car, they removed the spotlights, so I went ahead and put everything back in the way it was. Once again, clear lights and lenses in the front. Also, just so you know, I removed the front grille, and I had to repaint it, so it kind of looks new. There was nothing wrong with the old one. It just looked a little bit paled, and I wanted to bring it back to life. Little chip right there, okay, road hazard, little chip right there, guys, okay. I'm gonna try to touch that up as well. Great looking vehicle. Most of the scratches are gonna be on the passenger side, guys. I do have some door dings here as well. You can clearly see those right there, guys. I'm telling you everything I know about this vehicle, that way you can't say I didn't mention it on the video, or if I forgot in my ad, it's gonna be on the video. Let's go inside real quick. Folks, as you can see, I do have matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vinyl flooring. Two little tears on the back seat right there. You guys can see the one, two, maybe from the cage. This was an undercover vehicle in San Diego, so there it is. Door locks and switches are in place. In this particular vehicle, it came with no door panels, so I got a set of good use door panel switches, door handles, door plates, door locks, and rods. So everything is operational here. Electric seating on the front. Driver's side seat looks great. Still very comfortable. So is the passenger side. Perfect dash, no holes. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Perfect dash, no holes. Basic AM/FM stereo. It does work. I do have a good use new ashtray, 2 cigarette lighters there. When I got the car, of course, most of you guys know the ashtray was missing. Electric retractable pedals right here, and a missing part of the dash right here. I'm not sure what happened, but once again, this is the way the car came to me. Working spotlights. Ticket lights work. Dome lights do work. Let's fire her up.
Somebody needs cologne.
Clean this up here a little bit. Alright, that's probably as good as it's gonna get, guys. Let me see if I can give it a shot. Alright, as you can see, the vehicle does have 99,886 miles. So let's just round that up to 100,000 miles. I'm responsible for 223 miles driven. Vehicle does have 475 idle hours. Now please keep in mind, miles may go up a little bit, so with the idle hours, because I am driving this car around town.
Amazing. West Medical works with all PPO health insurance providers, and they also offer great financing options. Call West Medical for a private
Sorry guys, the switch was down here. There it is.
That's 1-800-937-86.
Stereo does work. Honk works. Alright, couldn't get it to focus. Alright guys, let me keep walking around here. I know your time is precious, so let's get moving. Let me clean this up here again. I don't know what's going on with me today here, but everything looks blurry. Folks, I apologize for the quality of my video here. I'm trying to do it best as I can as I'm moving kind of fast. Okay, back at it. I do have a brand new spare tire and wheel. Floor jack to the right, hold down pen inside. It came with a new wheel. It's gonna go with a new wheel, okay? I'm not removing anything, guys. You're taking it the way it is. All right, let's go under the hood. And before I forget, guys, I've had all 4 wheels repainted, recovered, reconditioned, so the wheels look new. The vehicle did come with semi-new tires, which is great. I didn't have to spend money in tires. I just went and paid the extra money to have the wheels recovered, reconditioned. All 4 wheels were reconditioned, so they look nice and black. Alright guys, here's the engine, and once again this vehicle is in great running conditions. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. She is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. All she's gonna need is fuel, pretty much. Ladies and gentlemen, starting right to left, I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, transmission service, fluid, and filter were done. Super cold AC. Vehicle does have a new battery for that department. As for my inspection, the vehicle does have a new belt for that department and what it appears to be a new electric fan shroud and module. Those look new. Brakes on this vehicle were about 80% all around from the department, so once again, no brakes were needed here, so we are okay. Actually guys, let me back up. Rear brakes are 80%. I did replace the front brakes. I do have Motorcraft brakes on the front. They're completely new and I had those done today. Stand corrected, guys. I was working in 3 cars today, so I have my hands full, as you can imagine. Once again, I do apologize. This vehicle does have new Motorcraft brakes in the front. Let's give it a one final look here, guys. I'm going on my 10th minute, so I need to hurry up. Here she is. Great running car. from the city of San Diego, California. No rust. Super sharp, super clean. Ready to go anywhere, guys. If you should have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, text me, or email, and I will be more than happy to get back to you. Serious inquiries only, please. I am getting a lot of spams and flaky emails and text messages. Guys, I'm not here to waste your time. Please don't waste mine. If you like this car, please go ahead and give me a call, text me, and be ready to pull the trigger. All right? All right, once again, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You have yourself a great week. Thank you, take care, and God bless.